Made it. Picking the winner for the wheels that I was giving away in my previous video. The winner for that is going to be Hudson Tanner. I'm going to be replying to your comment, and in that comment I need you to reply back with your email. I'll send you email. I'll send you out these wheels. Appreciate anybody leaving the comments and all the good words. Also, 20% off the Ride NYC beanies using this code March20. This is only lasting a week, so if you guys want to scoop some beanies, they got 5 colors. The discount lasts a week, so I suggest you get on that. And going through the closet, I have a few things that I would love to give away, just older parts I don't need. So if you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Thanks for all the positive comments, and let's get into the video. Getting it going in Corona, Queens today. This neighborhood was the #1 victim for COVID when everything was getting heated in the summer. Quality of living is a little tough over here. It's very congested, which is why it was tough for them to control everything. 2 blocks ago, it was all gated up, and now you have this luxury apartment building. This thing's crazy. It's like a ghost town. Let's see if we got anything going on in this school. It's kind of cool, little ledge piece. Whole nother section right here. Let's hear it. One minute can be all sketch, feel like I'm in a bad movie. The next, we're like a little poppin' little town. Pretty sure there's like a spiral garage around here. Yep, there we go. In order to go down, you must go up. That's cool. Oh. This is kind of sick, little mani pad thing. You know, some days where your headset's in that right spot, it feels super good, solid, and spins good. That's today. Clamp, headset, fork, all aligned. Feels super good. Really though, really hope it doesn't loosen up. I'm loving the way the whole oil slick works. If you guys want any of these parts, the O-ring clamp, SOB fork, NV sealed headset, click the link in the description where it says Blunt and Emery scooters. They got other colors too. I'm feeling the oil slick to go with these grips. But for now, let's get down this hill bomb. Parking lot hill bomb, count me in. Oh my God. If someone could go down that without putting their foot down, 100 bucks. Look at that thing. That was crazier than I thought. I was like, oh, I'm gonna send it full speed, no brake. One spin, one circle. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta take my foot off and press the brake. I was doing both in order to stay in. I was about to crash to the wall. That was sick. We gotta come back here and film a video, do something cool on this. Now we're in the projects, and look what we got. These little rails, looks like someone's been here before too. We're in the projects. I got my camera bag. Not trying to put it down for too long. All right, that's enough. It's a little too sketchy to leave my bag on the floor that long. Hey. Can I do a 6-inch urban cheese chicken breast, please? Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. We'll definitely hit up another neighborhood and see what's up. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.